Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. Welcome back to the sunny and gorgeous Benidorm town. Today we are in Rincon de Loix, and this weekend will be very special. This weekend from 19th till 21st, which is this Sunday, Benidorm will be celebrating the famous ELVIS Weekend. Let's go and check the venues that will be celebrating it and what kind of shows will they be offering, because the vast majority of them will be concentrated right here in Rincon de Loix. Let's go. As you might or might not know, we are in Rincon de Loix, right next to Benidorm Palace. We've seen the Benidorm City Sightseeing Bus right now passing by with quite a lot of people. And this bus will go towards Altea. We have a full video about it, by the way, here on the channel. If you still did not check it out, because it has full of useful information, prices, trips, and tricks that you should know about. And now let's head towards Benidorm Palace, and we'll see everything we have to know about the Spain's biggest event dedicated to the King of Rock and Roll. And this will be approximately 14th year in a row that this is running and returns to Benidorm, and promises to be bigger and better than before. As we've already mentioned in the introduction of today's video, it will be taking place from 19th towards 21st/22nd of April. On the 22nd is when everyone already will be going back home. This event gathers a lot of people, even from other countries, that are fans of Elvis. This started in 2011, more or less, as a small group of Elvis lovers having a good time, and now this has turned into Spain's biggest Elvis-themed festival. 3 days covering all the songs of Elvis throughout his life as an artist. We are by the Benidorm Palace, and here we have a lot of other information. They have a brand new show, which is air. We've had fire, we've had water, now it's earth we also have had, and now it's air's turn, obviously, logically. And there's a lot more of these. Benidorm Palace, the McCartney songbook, the Rolling Stones story, the Fortunes. But there is nothing about the Elvis, simply because it's a special event. It's not something that will be repeating itself throughout the year or several weekends, several days. It's going to be only once on Sunday, 21st of April. The main arena for the event of ELVIS Weekend will be the Melia Hotel, Benidorm Hotel Melia. And this is where there's going to be a lot of people who will be actually staying in this particular hotel. And there's going to be a lot of themed events going on there too. And there's going to be events both indoors and outdoors. As the festival has grown over the years, additional events have also been programmed at other locations. So don't think that it's only going to be Benidorm Palace, that it's only going to be Melia Hotel in Benidorm. No, there's going to be way more of it. And we are heading to these locations, which are situated right in front of the Levante Club Hotel, which is right in front of our eyes. And we will see what they have to offer. In a lot of these places, they should have the full Elvis program, where we will be able to see which kind of events they have. By the way, while we head there, we can see there's McDonald's, which has been here for quite a few months, but still it's quite new. It's from end of last year. They've built here a fast food place, McDonald's. And there's also quite a lot of different services here. There is a private school on the right. Those who are planning to come here with children to live in Benidorm or surrounding area, this school officially is one of the best in the region. It's half Spanish, half English, but you can do a double grade afterwards. And it has native speaking teachers. It's a perfect school for international students here in Benidorm town. And we know it on our own skin, so we know what we talk about. The bus number 10 also passes by this area. Either if you want to go this one that you see right now, if this will be the bus number 10 on our right, side, going towards the hotel. This bus will be heading towards the oh, they just stopped randomly. Okay, all right. This would be the bus to go to Benidorm City Center towards the Mediterranean Avenue. And the other one going towards us will be the one that goes to Alfaz, Albir, and Altea. On the left side, we have the church where a lot of people from Netherlands go, and actually it says that it's a Netherlands type of church. They even do solidarity markets, something to get some funds. They also do different types of religious events. So all those who are coming from Netherlands, that's where you would be able to go. It's sort of apart from a religious place, it's sort of a meeting point for a lot of people from the Netherlands. Here on the left side, we have a typical Spanish supermarket, which is called Masimas. It's towards the cheaper side. There are quite a lot of basic products and everything you need to cater for your stay here in Benidorm in case you are on self-catering. On the right side, right next to the Hotel Levante Club, there is a pharmacy that is also available just in case you need something during your holidays. Right here, where we see quite a lot of people just sitting down or standing waiting, this is the bus stop. This is a bus stop where you can catch the bus number 10, but obviously it's not the only one. You will be able to catch it from other places also here all around Rincon de Loix and the avenue where we are right now, which is called Avenida Ametla del Mar. Let's continue with the places and locations. One of them is the Tropical, which is located right here on our left side. The Tropical is a bar. It's a pub place where you can dance, you can grab some drinks, some snacks as well. And there is a huge TV screen that shows what's happening on the inside, so you can stay on the terrace and still have quite a lot of fun. There's cocktails, there's different deals for drinks, snacks, buckets as well, cocktails too. And obviously they do serve some snacks like burgers, fries, etc. Usually they have quite some shows. Mostly in summertime, it's getting more and more, but at least every evening here you can see 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11, 12. Tom Jones, the Vegas years, 10 p.m. Obviously the chair or share. Then we have One Vision and we have This Is Me. A lot of different shows will be available here for you. And they also will be celebrating the ELVIS Week. Some more places that have something special programmed. Other locations are the Sinatras Premium, obviously, and the Rock and Roll House. The Sinatras Premium, they have the full program, and actually I can actually see it right there. Look at this. This is what we were willing to show you guys. This is the Benidorm Elvis Fiesta official program for this April 2024. There's official website elvisbenidorm.com, and here it says when, what, and where. Thursday 18th, you can actually make a screenshot or pause it and zoom it in. And Thursday 18th, people will be arriving. Then on the 19th, when it actually starts, look at this. A Night with Stars at 6 p.m. Thursday. Then you have registrations. Door open to VIPs only in bars towards the regulars. And it always shows you where it is. In bars, in Melia Hotel, in Rock and Roll House, in Tropical Bar, in Melia, or in any others, in Sinatra as well. So it does show you when each one of the things are actually happening. And usually finishes out with an after show party, which is very fun, I suppose. By the way, there are several bracelets, wristbands. The weekend ticket options are either the regular one, weekend wristband, which costed 155 euros. And I do think these are sold out. And then there's VIP. See Sinatra's Premium, the Benidorm Elvis Fiesta opening doors at 6 p.m. Tickets only till 11, and after 11, everyone is welcome to join us. Look at that. That's great. So if you don't have a ticket, you can still come here. Obviously, you grab some drinks, it's paid, but you are able to visit it. And then the VIP tickets were 195 euros and they were sold out. The infants under 3 are free of charge. Children under 12, so it's actually a children-friendly event. Look at that. That's actually great. are paying half price. A night with our stars on Thursday evening, the 18th, will cost 20 euros. So far, at least on the official website of the Round Town Travel, who are also selling the tickets, it is sold out. I've seen quite a few of these websites, and everywhere it does say that it will be sold out, which is a shame, but at least you will be able to visit it still if you will come, because starting from 11 p.m. you are able to join the celebration and then the after party. Obviously, there's going to be different acts as previous years. There's going to be star performers, those who are usually doing the Elvis tributes. Here it says in 2023, the European champion Simon Patrick as Elvis tribute. Look at that. That's very nice. So this is Rock and Roll House, and obviously they will have Elvis tribute. They do have it quite often, but this weekend it's gonna be special. The event will run over 3 days, and they are also reserving different areas on the pool side by the hotel, strictly restricted to wristband holders. And these wristbands obviously give you almost the full access towards everything. Depending on the wristband, it's more or less, but all the shows are included. I think just the food and drinks are different, but all the rest probably is more or less the same. And this happens every single year. Every single year it is happening. Every single year people are coming here, and it's bigger and bigger each time. And now it's a whole entire weekend with more places to actually have fun and party, which is great. It's absolutely great. We love that Benidorm is celebrating, that they're giving tributes to authentic artists, that there's something special going on here in our lovely town. Maybe even more of these places will be doing something special. Maybe they will just be putting the Elvis songs. Maybe there's gonna be something else apart from the official destinations that are a part of this wristband and a part of this weekend celebration. But there probably will be much more than that, especially on the Girona Street or Lepanto or Ibiza, everywhere where most of the British bars are located, or international bars. Maybe there's going to be something extra. We're heading slightly further away towards Rincon de Loix to show you around, and this is what the Lidl is looking like, the future Lidl. It's situated right in front of the Hotel Melia Benidorm, which is going to be one of the main parts of the celebration of the ELVIS Weekend. And there's going to be area by the pool. There's going to be a lot of different tributes. There's going to be shows, events, indoors and outdoors in the hotel. So a lot of people actually are either staying in Melia or with the wristbands. Obviously, they are able to access the hotel during the days of celebrations. Probably even drinks, snacks, etc. Since wristbands are quite expensive for this weekend. So Lidl supermarket, the one in front of the Melia, will probably be opening up by this summer, since they are building with blocks, which is way faster, and we're anxious to actually see what it will look like. We desperately need a low-cost, nice supermarket here in the area, because a lot of people are coming here on self-catering. A lot of people would love to have an accessible supermarket, or at least those who are even living here, so that we wouldn't need to go to the shopping mall or anywhere else with a car, and it will be accessible within the walking distance. Definitely needed, wanted, and wished for all this area of Rincon de Loix. On our left side, we have Ideals, a very, very nice place for typical Spanish breakfast. You have some menu options. We actually filmed it for you here on the channel. We were able to show you as much as we could, so if you want to check out that video, check it out, because it has a lot of useful information. And we did try a few breakfast options here on the channel. Obviously, in this area we also have some supermarkets, which are like 24-hour ones considered, where you have drinks, snacks, something for the beach, some magnets, things as sun hats, souvenirs, maybe top-ups for mobile phone, water, etc., or slippers. There you go. And then we have typical Chinese shops where you can purchase anything else for your holidays, Although I would definitely say that if you need something, go to a shopping mall or go to like usual places here where it's Spanish buy, because a lot of things in the Chinese shops, in Chinese bazaars, they are just not from a good material. They're all synthetic, so it's not really good when it's very hot outside. The last stop is Round Town Travel. They are the ones in charge of selling some of the tickets for the ELVIS Weekend, and they are participating actively in all this weekend celebration. They're located right in front of the Sun Terrace Benidorm. We have Dynastic Hotel nearby and a lot of other places to stay for the ELVIS Weekend. Sinatras Premium, Tropical House, Rock and Roll, and obviously Benidorm Palace. Maybe some more shows will be here, but these are the main locations right here in Rincon de Loix to enjoy the ELVIS tribute. They say there obviously are bracelets of different types. I think there's two types, VIP and the normal ones. And then a lot of these places, it doesn't mean that you will not be able to assist at all. It's just different things are included. Starting from 11 p.m. in Sinatras, it does state that there's a free entry. So we'll see how this will go. I know a lot of you were interested about it. We did receive quite a lot of comments on our Instagram as well. If you do not follow us there, follow us. Because we do put all the latest information. As soon as we publish a video, we'll put some pictures there so that you would know what it will be all about, and so that you could check that the new video is out already. But it's definitely a great weekend waiting for us in the sunny Benidorm town. And if you love this type of music, if you love this type of tributes, definitely pass by Rincon de Loix, some of these places, and enjoy a unique weekend on the sunny Benidorm town, Rincon de Loix. Thank you for accompanying us in today's short walking tour down Rincon de Loix. I hope you got to see some useful information. Some more of it is available on the Round Town Travel website if you want to check it out. But I do think that if you make a screenshot of all the program that is published in Sinatras Premium, you will have a full program for this upcoming weekend. We'll see you in a new video here on the channel tomorrow with the latest Benidorm news update. Bye, teas.